Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another makeup video. How do I start? So I've decided to try this makeup look that I saw on Pinterest on Gigi Hadid. I think it's very pretty, it's very subtle, it's very me. I don't feel like doing anything to my face, so I'm just gonna skip that part. Instead, I'm gonna apply concealer here and wherever I feel like it. Oh wait, I'm gonna use a hand sanitizer before that. I have some redness over here. It's from the brow lift that I got. Can't help it. I'm done applying a concealer that's still there, so should probably get a concealer in my own shade so that this won't happen. I saw this hack on TikTok where you put setting spray on your hand and then lightly apply it where you applied the concealer so that it won't crease apparently. But I haven't used that much concealer under my eyes. It's not even showing, so I don't see how this hack is gonna help me, but we're gonna try it nonetheless. So now that's done and I feel like a beauty blogger. So this eyeshadow look is pretty easy. It's not a lot. In fact, there are only 2 steps, which is wrong. Eyeshadow base and eyeshadow. So why is this setting spray giving me a sheen? It says matte. So let's skip to the eyeshadow base, which is oh. So it's very subtle. She doesn't have a wing. It has rounded ends and her lid is sort of similar to mine and it goes over this lid too. So it's gonna be a little wider than how, I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, but let's just follow what I'm doing. Otherwise, just watch. Yeah, that's what it should not have been, but we're gonna keep going and fix it. I think I'm gonna use a normal Kajal for this. Yeah, this is exactly what it should not have been, but we fix it. I'm gonna go get a pencil, the thinner Kajal, so that I could get like a precise, oh god. So what I did is I just filled in where it had smudged because that's, it's okay, don't panic, we're gonna fix it, everything's gonna be fine. That's what Modi said. Oh, that's okay, we're gonna fill that part, but hey, we got it. Oh, it's,
wow, look at that!
but we almost did it. See, everything is fixable. Well, eyeshadow certainly is. It's uneven, but I think I'm gonna keep it that way because, well, my face is asymmetrical, so we're just gonna...
Look at you!
Who needs symmetry? Symmetry is extremely overrated. Oh. So this side sort of has a wing-ish thingy happening over here and I like it, and I like this also. So I think I'm just gonna keep it that way and not make any difference and fuck it up even more. Who needs symmetry anyway? We're just gonna skip to applying eyeshadow because I don't want to do anything anymore to my eyes, and I also sort of like it like this. I'm using this palette by Nykaa called Nykaa Just Wink It Wet and Dry Eyeshadow Palette Smokin Hot. It looks like this. It looks extremely crusty. It's from all the trauma that I've been through this year.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Also, Gigi, I mean, her eyeshadow is like a lot darker than this, but I'm just gonna go with this one because, well, this is the only blue color that I have. Yeah, I'm just going for the blue that I have, which is this shade. because I don't have any other blue. I mean, well, I went for this makeup look in the first place because that was the only other color that I had left, because I was done with the green and the teal-ish green I did, and yeah, blue is what's left, and this look was pretty easy. I mean, I would be able to afford another eyeshadow palette if you were consistently watching my videos, so then I would be getting money from it. But it's okay, I'm not blaming you because I'm not consistently uploading videos either. Ooh. But I will start consistently uploading videos if you promise to consistently watch my videos. So it's gonna be a win-win. Eyeshadow palette for me and more videos for you. There we have it. Oh, it's a lot bigger than Gigi's, but it's okay. But look at the color. See, I did not even use a tape, and look at how precisely it has come. This is why you should listen to me. This is why I tell you that this is the best eyeshadow base. Now I'm gonna do this eye, and I'm not gonna show that to you because it's my bad side. So, I'm done. Yay, and I like it. Oh. I'm sorry, but I like it. So that's the look. I'm not gonna do my brows because, you know, I got a brow lift and I can't do anything to my brows. So we're gonna skip that part. And yeah, no, I didn't get a brow lift, of course not. But I shaved off my brows from here. I mean, I've talked about this before, but I changed my brows even after that. So I got a razor for my brows, and then I shaved this part and here too. Because before, my brows were like a rectangle, which made me look like... yeah, so now it looks more natural and foxy. So yeah, I'm not gonna do anything to my brows. So that's the look. I'm gonna finish it off by applying lipstick. I'm gonna use Fay Beauty's Nude on my upper lip because it's like brownish. And on my lower lip, I'm gonna use Too Basic. So that's it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll come back with another video soon. I don't know why I'm making this extra footage, but I just want to say that the look that I tried to do of Gigi, it's from Anna Shui's fashion show in 2017 fall winter, I think. Yeah, also I removed the makeup immediately. Like, it's been just 5 minutes since I got done filming it, but I had to remove it immediately because my dad came home and he couldn't see me wearing makeup because he still wanted to live here. Oh, it was too beautiful. I didn't want to remove it.